Okay, so this is beginner PLL, which only has 6 algorithms instead of 21, which is good, because 21's a lot. It took me a month to learn, and this only took me like 3 to 4 days. Anyway, so after you solve PLL, you're gonna look for headlights. These are headlights, 2 stickers of the same color, tiles. And anyway, so if you see them, and they're only in one spot, not here, 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 and here, you're gonna hold them on the right side like this, and you're gonna do this algorithm: R2, D2, R prime, U prime, R, D2, R prime, U, R prime. And then that will give you a case with all the edges corner solved, which is what we want. And now, if you have a case where there's no headlights on the top, you can just do this from any angle. I'm going to do it from this one. And it's F, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, F prime, R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, F, R, F prime. And that will also solve all the corners. So, now onto the other than that, and you've gotten all of the corners solved. This is the next step. So, this is the case where you have 3 sides solved, which actually you'll recognize from the beginner's method, because you want to get it down to here. If you watch my tutorial, some other tutorials here. But anyway, so the way I recognize this case is by seeing that this piece needs to go here, this piece needs to go here, and this piece needs to go here. So it's just turning in a circle like this. Anyway, so if you have this case, what you're going to want to do is R, U prime, R, U, R, U, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, R2. That'll solve the case where they need to move in a direction like that. And now the case where they need to move in the opposite direction. So you see you have 3 sides solved there. But this time this one needs to go here, this one needs to go here, this one needs to go here. So if you have that case, you're going to go R2, U, R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, U prime, R prime, U, R prime. And that will solve that one. And now the case where you have no other sides solved, and this one needs to go here, and this one needs to go here. So it kind of makes like an X right there. Or people call it an HPLL for some reason. And those are the 2 wordy ones, and this is another H one. Not sure, it looks more like an X. Whatever. So, this is the case where these need to swap and these need to swap. So, it's going to be M2, U, M2, U2, M2, U, M2. That'll solve that one. Another case where you also don't have another thing, but these 2 need to swap and these 2 need to swap. It's going to be MU, M2U, M2U, M, U2, M2U. And I completely messed that up. So this case, these need to swap and these need to swap. You're gonna do this. And that. It's gonna be up there, I'm not gonna say it because I'm just bad at that really. Anyway, that concludes the video. And good luck learning.